Here are a few simple reflections you could use. 1. The butterfly reminded me that life is not about rushing. It's about enjoying small, gentle moments. 2. It danced freely, showing that happiness comes when we move with the flow of life. 3. Just like the butterfly, we too can rest and find beauty wherever we land. 4. Watching it made me realize peace comes when we pause and notice the world around us. 5. The butterfly didn't stay long, yet it left joy behind, a little lesson in living lightly.